y'all, you back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, you already know, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all already know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You know I appreciate the love that y'all show me and the support. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the latest recipe videos, y'all. Like I always say, we get it down here, man. Freestyle cooking with Streets, man. Dope recipes. Let's get it, man. Alright, so today we're doing another real simple, easy recipe. Always try to do the real easy recipes. We're going to do a salmon and chicory flatbread recipe, y'all. That's right. On the board, you see I got some chicory lettuce. I got some king salmon that I already then seared up. Got some flatbread. We're about to hook it up, y'all. This is a real good recipe for appetizer, you know, party favor, anything like that, man. You can do your thing. And for real, you can load it up and make this flatbread into a dinner if you want. You know, adding vegetables, adding more stuff to the flavor. You dig? But we about to get it in, alright? So, let's get started. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. So the first thing we want to do is we want to put together a spread real quick. I got me some cream cheese up in a bowl, ready to go. Okay? How much cream cheese you use depending on how much you're making. Okay? I'm using like a little bit of cream cheese, not that much. I'm not making a whole bunch. But get some cream cheese up in a bowl. And next thing you want to do is you want to get some fresh lemon juice up in there, alright? So, got me half a lemon. Get some lemon juice up in there. Alright, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Feel me? Next, I got some shallots cut up. If you don't have no shallots, you can use onion, red onion. Got some shallots. Love the taste of the shallots. I want to also get that up in there. Dump that in there. Next, I want to add some capers. I got some capers right here. Some capers in here. You want to make sure they drain. I got a little bit of juice coming out of here because I had already drained these. But we want to get some capers up in there. Okay. And next, I want to add some Italian seasoning. I got me some Italian seasoning right here. Add a little bit of Italian seasoning up there. Okay. And I want to go ahead and just get this all mixed up and incorporated. This is going to be a real quick, easy recipe, man. I wanted to bring this on y'all. Like I was about to make this. And like always, I always want to share something with y'all that I haven't shared with y'all. And sometimes I'll get to cooking something and be like, did I share this? So I'm trying to bring it to y'all. So we just get this mixed up real good. Okay, once I got this all mixed up real good, got my capers, my shallots, my cream cheese, my lemon juice mixed up real good. That's a good spread. We're ready to go. Alright? So I'll go ahead and set that to the side. Now, next, we got our chicory. Alright? So I got me some chicory lettuce here. And if you never had chicory lettuce, it's kind of like Belgian endives or Radicchio, the chicory lettuce. It has like this little bitter taste, like a bitter, strong, like a mild, strong flavor taste than regular lettuce. Like you could use the chicory in like salads. You can saute it, which we're going to do today. We're going to saute it, like I said, but you can use Radicchio, Belgian endive. You got the curly endive. It's a lot of float in the chicory family, okay? But if you can find it, you get the chicory lettuce. As you can see, I done already, broke it down a little bit, cleaned it. So what we want to do is, I want to go ahead and get this in a pot and boil it for a hot second. Alright? Alright, y'all. So next, got me a pot of boiling water. Alright, so you want to get yourself a pot of boiling water going and flowing. I got my chicory right here. My chicory lettuce going here. I want to go ahead and get that up in there in my pot. We're gonna let that go for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I done got my chicory up out the pot, drained it. Okay, so we're gonna get this up on the board. Right, put that to the side. And we want to go ahead. We want to cut this up. Okay, just cut it up like so. Real easy. Right. Now after I got my chicory cut up, I got me some king salmon right here, already pan-seared, ready to go. Okay, you can use any kind of fish you like, but the salmon definitely works good with this recipe. And I'm just gonna break this down into smaller pieces, just like so. I also got me some crawfish here. Got me some crawfish tails. You know what I'm saying? I had some of these on deck, so I'm gonna add this to my flatbread, but that's optional. But you got your salmon or the fish of your choice. Break it up. Yeah, y'all. Real easy recipe. Alright, break it up like that. Alright, got my pan out, getting it nice and hot. And at this time, you want to preheat your oven to 400. Alright, get your oven preheated to 400, man, because we're getting ready to get our flatbreads in there. Alright, so now I want to go ahead and put about a couple tablespoons of butter in there. Next, I got some. Now my crawfish tails came with this spicy sauce. You can create your own spicy sauce. You know what I'm saying, if you want. But I'm using the packet that came with the crawfish tails, and I want to get that in there too. But you can use any kind of chili garlic sauce if you have it. Turn this down to medium high. And I'm going to go ahead and dump my salmon in there. Also want to dump my crawfish tails in there. Get a nice little mix going on. Alright, that spicy sauce packet is going to add a little bit of spice and flavor to my seafood. But like I said, if you don't have this spicy packet, you know, you could use a hot paste. You can use, there's different ways you can make like a little hot spicy sauce. Or you ain't got to make a sauce at all. But I like it spicy. And I just wanted to utilize the spice packet that came with the crawfish tails. Alright, so we get this going for about 2-3 minutes. Alright, now I want to go ahead and dump my chicory up in there. Oh yeah. Let's get my chicory up in there. Do this for about another 30 seconds. We're good. Okay, so now once I'm done with my salmon and my crawfish tails and my chicory all mixed up together, I come back to my mixture and my flatbread. And this is some flatbread I got out the market, ready to go, got a pack. Okay, homemade, it takes too long. You know, this is a real quick recipe, so you know, you can find some naan bread or some flatbread, do your thing. So get some of the mixture, get it up on there. And you should already have your oven preheated on 400. That's what I'm talking about. Then have yourself a baking sheet ready to go. Place it on the baking sheet. Real quick, y'all. Real easy. There you go. Now once you got your bread, you put your cheese mixture on there. We're going to put this in the oven at 400 for maybe about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Alright? Then we're going to finish this off, y'all. Let's do it. Alright. Got my bread up out the oven. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Everything's looking nice and crispy. Now we want to go ahead and get our salmon and crawfish tails or chicory and get it on top. Just like that, y'all. Oh my goodness, real easy. And that simple. And that's where we at, y'all. Right there. Y'all see it. Y'all see our flatbread with our cream cheese mixture, with our crawfish tails, with our salmon, with our chicory lettuce. Oh yeah, looking real good, y'all. Had to share this with y'all, man. Something real quick, real easy. You feel me? So you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to just demolish this right here. But please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell. Let me know how y'all feel. Comment, holla at me. Let me know if you tried it. Oh yeah, y'all. Smelling real good. Bread nice and toasted. You can also add a sauce if you want. I got an aioli sauce. Let me add that on there. Oh yeah, let's just go. There we go, y'all. Add whatever sauce you like, man. Some hot sauce, sriracha sauce, and we good to go. Alright? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. And y'all know how I do already. Thank y'all for watching. Holla.